Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the final walk around video for the 1995 E300 Special Edition. Guys, this is the lowest mileage E300 I've ever had at the shop. Right now it has 61,000 miles on it. This is an amazing car. It's the special edition, which is extremely rare. These 124s are extremely rare in this condition anyway. So on the website, there's 4 or 5 videos showing all the work and detailing done on the car. So go to the website, watch those videos, woodsandbarclay.com. Let's go ahead and do the walk around. So just like in all my walk around videos, I'm going to walk around the car and read off the list of all the mechanical work and detailing work that we have done. There are new front struts. I replaced the headlight glass with new old stock Bosch original headlight glass. It has a new antenna. I repaired the electric seat motor cables so the seats now move correctly. Has new engine mounts, new glow plugs, new shifter bushings. We have a brand new engine wiring harness. We have redone the headliner, so it has a new headliner. New diesel return lines, new rear wheel bearings. We had a squeaky wheel bearing, so the rear wheel bearings have been done. Cleaned the fuel level sending unit, new battery, new intake gasket, lubricated the throttle linkage. I installed some brand new Michelin tires, new fan clutch, new belt tensioner, new serpentine belt, new genuine Mercedes center AC vent assembly. I installed a new JVC Bluetooth radio. It does come with the original radio. Replaced the heater valve, new AC compressor, replaced the vacuum pump, oil and filter change, fuel filter change, brake fluid flush, power steering fluid flush, transmission fluid and filter changed. And of course, Scott did a professional detailing, buffed and polished and cleaned the interior. All right, let's go ahead and just zoom into the details. Now, literally, I just pulled it out of the detail shop and Scott has buffed and polished all of the paint. You can see it looks remarkable. There's the reflection of the shop here on the hood. Front of the car, the bumper, headlight bezels, the grille, everything is fantastic. Now this is, 1995, so there's a couple of flaws in the paint. You can see right here. Let me know when you guys find a perfect classic car. They just don't exist. They all have small flaws here and there. All the cladding around the lower part of the car is just fantastic. Beautiful condition. All of the rubber gaskets around the windows, excellent condition. Also, the gaskets around the doors are all beautiful condition. There is some cracking right here on these rubber pieces that go around the rear view mirrors. That's pretty common. Of course, there's the new Michelins. Those are the special edition wheels. Those are slightly different than the non-special edition car. We did a new antenna. That's a new antenna gasket on here, or grommet. I think the old antenna is actually in the trunk here. We'll take a look. Yeah, there's the old antenna that I replaced. I just put that in the trunk. I also have the original radio, guys. I will include the original radio. The reason I replaced it with the JVC is the volume knob on the radios that came in these cars. It will, when you adjust the volume, it'll like jump to full blast or like completely shut off. They had issues with the potentiometers, so I usually go ahead and just replace them. Let's go ahead and go into the interior here. Oh, now on the roof up here, I did see some checking that started in the clear coat, but I couldn't justify repainting it. It didn't justify a repaint. I mean, you can barely see it. I don't even know if we can see it here. I think it looks good, so I didn't want to repaint anything on this car. The interior, all I can say is that's incredible condition. There's no cracks in the wood. And this is the burl wood. The regular edition came with the Zebrano. The special edition came with the burl wood. Here's the JVC radio that I put in. We didn't cut any corners on this car, guys. We addressed every single issue. These are the real leather seats. Special edition got the real leather seats. Here, I'll show you something funny about the special edition too. We have our 1995 genuine Mercedes cell phone. I always thought it'd be cool if you could figure out how to gut the internals and put like an Android or iPhone in the inside of those so they would actually still work. Let's go ahead and look from the driver's side. The special edition also got the memory seats. That's what that green button is. I don't think that's on the regular base model. And check out the headliner. We redid the headliner. E300s, that was the weakness, is these headliners would fail. Sorry, I got my fingerprints right up here. I need to wipe that spot off. Headliners will always fail on the E300, so it's very important to have that done. And you can watch the videos on the website showing me take it over to Jose and him redoing the headliner. Let's go ahead and get in the car and I'll show you all the buttons and switches and show you that everything works. All right, let's go ahead, fire up the engine, watch the glow plug light. Good oil pressure, great idle RPM. There's the Bluetooth hands-free mic that I added in here. I'll show you the radio turns on and the new antenna works. Let's see here. All right, let me see if I can tune it to, there we go. All the speakers correctly work. You can see we did a replacement antenna that works correctly. Let's turn this off. All right, what else do we have here? Let's show you all the windows. There's the front and rear windows. We do the driver's side. All these work correctly. New AC compressor, so AC works great. And sorry if that's blowing right in the camera, I'll go ahead and turn that back off. We replaced this center vent right here because these little handles were broken off. That's a genuine Mercedes center vent. Let's show you the side mirror. Here we go. Let's see, down, up, out, in. Show you over here on the driver's side. Down, up, out, in. Let's move it back down here. There we go. Let's show the door locks. I'm going to lock the driver's door. And you can see all the locks correctly lock. There we go, unlocked. Let's show the sunroof. Sunroof has been lubricated, works correctly. Now also I want you to watch the wind dam here. When we shut the sunroof, the wind dam correctly shuts. There we go. See, we got our mirrors. All these work correctly. Here we go. That's for the hands-free calling. Of course, that doesn't work anymore because those phones no longer work. All the lights work correctly. Let's see what else to show you guys. I think that's really about it. See if there's anything in here. Oh yeah, there's those little pieces that broke off on the original. That's why we had to replace those. Let's go ahead, get out and take a look at the engine compartment. Guys, this is beautiful condition. You can see some of that Cosmoline spray, that golden looking spray, is still on the engine. Scott's professional, or Sylvia actually detailed the engine compartment. You can see we have a new shock up here, new tensioner, new serpentine belt, new AC compressor. There's, you can see the new wiring harness, glow plugs, diesel return hoses. Guys, it has all been taken care of. Beautiful low mileage E300 engine. Well guys, that's really it for the walk around video. One of the nicest E300s in the country. There we go, there's the current mileage, 61,275. See the little temperature gauge down there also works. As you can see, we put a lot of time and work into this car to make sure everything's functioning properly, and it's officially done. It's a very nice E300. So, like I said before, go on the website. You can see all the videos showing the work that was done, and hope you enjoyed this walk around video. We'll see you next time. Take care.